shares of IT major Wipro have slipped 45%, emerging as top losers among the IT giants this year. Wipro stock, which closed at 715 rupees and 20 paise on December 31, 2021, is trading at 396 rupees and 40 paise in the current session. On the other hand, Infosys stock has lost 18% and shares of TCS have tumbled just 11.71% in 2022. During the same period, Sensex has gained 5.37% at 3,178 points and Nifty has added 5.28% at 930 points. However, mirroring a major correction in the IT stocks, the BSE IT index has fallen 22.15% at 8,383 points to 29,461 this year. During the last 1 year too, the index has lost 16.60% of 5,863 points. Similarly, the Nifty IT index has defied the rally in benchmark indices and corrected 24.14% or 9,343 points in 2022. The index has declined 18.43% or 6,623 points in the last 1 year. Wipro stock hit its 52-week low of 372 rupees and 40 paise on October 17, 2022. Till date, it has recovered as 24 or 6.6% from its yearly low. Analysts have attributed the fall in IT stocks, especially Wipro, to the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, the economic slowdown and the COVID-19 lockdowns across the globe, which impacted the international business of the Indian IT firms during the period. In the current trading session, Wipro shares 1.66% lower at 397 rupees against the previous close of 403 rupees and 70 paise. The IT stock has been falling for the last 4 sessions. Wipro shares have declined 38.31% in the last 1 year. Market cap of Wipro fell to 2.17 lakh rupees crore on BSE today. Here's look at what approach investors can take while trading in Wipro stock. Nomura has assigned a neutral rating on Wipro with a target of 425 rupees. The target price amounts to 4% upside from the market price of 407 rupees on December 2. Nomura, in a report dated December 2, said, "We lower revenue growth forecasts for FY 24 to 25F. Maintain neutral for Wipro. We lower our FY 24 to 25F USD revenue growth by 50 to 120 bps to 7.2-8.1% YY, leading to 1 to 5% earnings cuts for FY 23 to 25F. We roll forward valuation to FY 25F from FY 24F and hence, our target price rises to 425 rupees, set at an unchanged 17x FY 25F APS of 25 rupees. Wipro currently trades at 16.3x FY 25F APS. We maintain neutral on Wipro and prefer Infosys. Ad Abhijit from Tips to Trade said, strong sell-off in global IT stocks due to inflationary environment thereby creating a recession in the global economy has also led to a sharp fall in Indian IT stocks including Wipro. Currently, 406 rupees is a strong resistance on the daily charts. Investors should wait for lower levels close to Rs 380 to 385 to buy for near-term targets of 406 to 416 in the coming days. In Q2 of the current fiscal, Wipro reported a 9.27% year-on-year fall in net profit at 2,659 crore rupees compared with 2,930.70 crore rupees in the corresponding quarter last year. Revenues for the quarter rose 14.60% year to 22,539.70 crore rupees from 19,667.40 crore rupees in the same quarter last year. Dollar revenues for the IT services stood at $2,797.70 million, up 2.3% sequentially. Revenue growth in constant currency (CC) terms stood at 4.1% sequentially. AIM Securities has initiated coverage on Wipro with a buy rating considering its Q2 earnings. It has assigned a target of 467 rupees, 15% higher to the current market price of 406 rupees. In a report dated December 7, AIM Securities said, robust demand environment and healthy deal pipeline would drive Wipro's next phase of growth. We believe the company will perform well over next few quarters due to strong deal win momentum. Also, the confident commentary from management, moderating attrition rate and supply side challenges are positive triggers in the stock. We initiate a buy rating on the stock and value the stock at 15.4 times FY24 earnings to arrive at the target of 467 rupees. Manoj Dalmia, founder and director, Proficient Equities said, Wipro is under selling pressure. We may see the same behavior in IT stocks due to reduced IT spending by companies globally. Investors can avoid accumulating at current levels and wait till 374 rupees levels for accumulation. Ravi Singhal, CEO, GCL said, IT stocks are the most impacted by the global scenario as high inflation and continuous rise in interest rates by global central banks can bring recession. This is affecting the IT stocks even as Nifty is trading at all-time high. This is right time to invest in Wipro with long-term view target of 550 rupees and maintaining a stop loss of 375 rupees. Apurva Sheth, Head of Market Perspective and Research, Samco Securities,
said, although the company achieved significant good deal wins in the recent quarter, a slowdown in the economy is having an impact on earnings growth due to supply-side pressure and a growing vulnerability to discretionary expenditure.
The company's constant currency revenue growth has been declining for the past 3 quarters, whereas margins are moderating too. The macro headwinds and a possible recession in the US are likely to moderate the technology spending, and this remains a key overhang for the stock. Santosh Meena, Head of Research, Swastika Investmart said, overall, the IT space is witnessing a sharp fall after HCL Tech management cut its revenue guidance. They are finally recognizing the impending recession in the US, while valuations are still not very comfortable despite a meaningful correction. It seems that we are seeing another round of selling in the IT space, where stocks may revisit their 52-week low or move even lower. However, further corrections will provide favorable risk-reward opportunities for long-term investors because the overall outlook of the Indian IT industry is still promising. Wipro has a strong base at 380 rupees, but if it is broken, then 330 rupees will be the next important support level.